Dear students, good day. Let us start our session with Geography, Unit 1, Rocks and Soils. In this session, we are going to learn about soil erosion, soil conservation, and uses of soils. Soil erosion. Soil erosion is a removal or destruction of top layer of soil by natural forces and human activities. Soil erosion reduces the fertility of soil, which in turn reduces the agricultural productivity. Running water and wind are the major agents of soil erosion. Types of soil erosion: sheet erosion, rill erosion, gully erosion are the major types of soil erosion. Sheet erosion, where the sheets of soil wash off with water. Rill erosion, where the erosion takes place in small channels. Gully erosion, where rills that get very deep and large. Soil conservation. Soil conservation is a process of protecting the soil from erosion to maintain its fertility. Contour widely practiced for conserving soil are afforestation, controlled grazing, construction of dams, crop rotation, strip farming, contour ploughing, terrace farming, checking shifting cultivation, windbreak, etc. Establishment of a forest or stand of trees where there was no previous tree cover. Controlled grazing. It is to restrict the grazing of cattle, sheep, and goats on grasslands and within forest. Construction of dams. Dams are built to provide water for human consumption, for irrigation purpose, or for use in agricultural activities or industrial processes. Crop rotation. It is a practice of growing a series of different types of crops in the same area across a sequence of growing seasons. Strip farming. Strip farming is a farming method that involves cultivating a field partitioned into long, narrow strips that are alternated in crop rotation system. Contour ploughing. Ploughing along the contours of the land in order to minimize soil erosion. Terrace farming. It is a method of growing crops on sides of hills or mountains by planting on graduated terraces built into the slope. Checking shifting cultivation. It means the shifting of the land from the other place for cultivation purpose. Windbreak. A windbreak is a row or group of trees, shrubs, or structural elements that are used to block and direct the wind. Uses of soils. Soil is one of the important natural resources. It is a basic requirement for plant growth and supports various life forms on the earth. The minerals present in the soil enhance and nourishes the crops and plants. It is used in making of ceramics or pottery. It is a source of material for construction and handicraft works. It acts as natural filter of water and purifies it. Soil supports ecosystem and play an important role in land management. Rocks and soils are the important renewable natural resources. Both of them play an important role in everyday life of human beings as well as an economic development. Nowadays, rock based companies are in increase which provide employment to a sizable population. Soils attract human settlement and other economic activities. As India is an agricultural country, the proper management of soil resource will lead to sustainable food production. Besides, its used for various other purposes. So, the soil resource must be conserved. In this session, we learnt about soil erosion, soil conservation, and uses of soils. Thank you.